Hey YouTube, how's it going? So in this video I'll be showing you how you can call PHP code inside your Elementor module very easily by using a small function in your functions.php file. So here, as you can see, there's a blank page on my site over here. This below is the sidebar that is actually fetching some archives, and in the body there is no data currently. So I'll go ahead and write something here which I actually want to call through a PHP function. So here, as you can see, this is my Elementor page and there's no data currently over here. This is a text field and there's no data. So if I want to call some data in this field by using a PHP or by a custom field, so we can directly call this from here, like if we have installed the ACF plugin, and we can use that ACF field and we can call that. But in some cases, the fields are actually not simple fields. They are iframes, and sometimes they are repeaters and all. So we cannot directly call them over here by using this ACF field option. So in case if your field is having an iframe data or video data and all, so you can use it through a PHP function. So in this video I'll show you how you can call the PHP function or the ACF field in your Elementor module. So not only the ACF field, you can call any PHP function inside the Elementor module through this function. So let's go ahead and write some custom function for this purpose. So I'm here in my functions.php file. I'll start writing the function for this. So here I'll write as a PHP function for Elementor module. Alright, so here first of all I'll write a function for this, and then I'll name it as PHP function for Elementor. Alright, so now I'll write my function value, what I actually want to perform inside this function. So here I'll call my attributes, then I'll write the data or the action that I want to perform inside this function. So in some cases you may need to call some conditional values inside the PHP. That time you can write that condition over here, or in some cases you may need to call the ACF fields. So in my case I actually want to call the ACF fields inside this function that I actually want to show inside the Elementor module over here, because I want to show the script inside this text field, that I'm actually not able to show it. So I'm trying to do it through ACF field. Alright, so here I'll go ahead and write the function. So here I'll directly write as the field, my field name, and then that my field name is text field, my ACF field, and then that's it. So here I'll return as the value. So this function will return this value. In some cases, if you're calling the attributes variable, at that time you would need to mention your attribute like this here, as equal to, and then you can write it inside this, or you can even call it through an array, or you can even call it through a shortcode attribute function. So in my case I just want to make it very simple and clean, so I'm writing it as the field. So this function will return the value of this field directly. So in some cases, if you want to make it very much user friendly by specifying the name attribute inside your shortcode, we can still elaborate that shortcode. So I'll go ahead and write add shortcode function over here. Then my shortcode name will be ACF data ACF text. Then function is this. Okay. Alright, so yeah, write them inside the quotations. Alright, so I'll save this file and go ahead and reload my page. I'll first need to add the data inside my custom field. So here I'll go ahead and write, so as you can see here inside my custom field, the script is already written. So I want this script to be output inside my page. So here I'll go ahead and write my shortcode, that is ACF text shortcode. We can directly call it inside any of the Elementor module or anywhere inside your web page, even if it is not using the Elementor as well. Alright, so I'll save this one, the script inside my ACF text field, and I'll update this one here in the backend. Now I'll go ahead and reload this page over here. Alright, I have got my script output over here through the shortcode. So that's it about how we can fetch the PHP function inside the Elementor or anywhere by using a shortcode. So this is very simple function actually. So if you want the function with the variable attributes and all, please do write me in the comment section and I'll be happy to create that one video for you. So I hope things are clear. If something is not clear, please feel free to write back to me in the comment section. I'll be happy to assist you. And do share, like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.